presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig commonly profound into the Ergo value expectation and answer questions in the event that Erg is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Erg essentially succeed or truly fizzle, or for what reason will Ergo value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what sort of is Erg and its to-date history, which especially is genuinely critical. Erg value expectation for the genuinely next 10 days. The exceptionally entire crypto world really is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a significant manner. When especially add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon basically is dinky, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town, which is genuinely critical. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into certainly more steady business sectors. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous for the most part play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees us truly green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, or so they thought. This basically is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin explicitly needs to generally find a base before we can move the other way and fundamentally alter the course. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 incredibly. We expect whales, and especially other sort of greater players in the market, to, in every practical sense, wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess generally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative fundamentally potential, and a few certainly other really restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. 2023 0126 plus 2.28% $1. 81202301 27 plus 6.68% $1. 89202301 281.18% $1. 75 202301 290.41% $1. 76 202301 303.48% $1. 71 202301 310.98% $1. 75 202302 plus 4.46% $1. 85 202302 plus 1.84% $1. 80 202302 032.86% $1. 72 202302 04 plus 3.93% $1.84. Ergo value forecast 2023 genuinely high expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, which generally is very huge. At the point when we for the most part take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 really isn't looking excessively essentially great for the bulls in a significant manner. We will likely generally see a ton of kind of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to especially slip lower with every minor market quake. All things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking, Captain Altcoin's expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner, which generally is very huge. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the sort of last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 8.91% $1.61. 2023 Blemish 27.48% $1.28. 2023 April 16.16% $1.49. 2023 May 12.40% $1.55. 2023 June 2.86% $1.72. 2023 Joel 2.33% $1.73. 2023 AUG plus 9.60% $1.94. 2023 SEP plus 23.49% $2.19. 2023 OCT plus 24.75% $2.21. 2023 NAV plus 33.15% $2.36. 2023 DEC plus 32.86% $2.35. 2024 JAN plus 48.50% $2.63. ERG value forecast 2025 in a genuinely significant manner. Our forecast model sees ERG coming to $4.25 in 2025 amazingly. What will ERG be worth in 5 years, or so they generally thought? The cost of ERG in 5 years could lie around $4.03. Ergo coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ergo will be exceptionally worth in 2030 in a significant manner. Our gauging model sees Ergo coming to $10.63 in 2030. What Ergo will really be worth in 2040. Will Ergo supplant, basically outperform, explicitly overwhelm Bitcoin in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking? No, Ergo won't explicitly supplant or surpass BTC amazingly. Can Ergo explicitly reach $1,000, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Ergo to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Ergo commonly worth purchasing? We essentially are promoters of reasonably hazardous money management, in a real sense contribute the greater part of exceptionally your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with enormous potential gain. All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Thus, in this specific situation, Ergo generally merits purchasing, in spite of prevalent thinking. Ergo is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It really does have higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a sort of strong group behind it in an unobtrusive manner. What amount will Ergo generally be worth? For the very momentary future, it could generally reach $1.11. In the long haul, it could leap to $10.63 or in any event, in every practical sense, higher. For what reason will Ergo succeed and basically become more expensive? Ergo has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, truly dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, or so they truly thought. These sort of are an essential for progress. And that in every practical sense is the reason our expectation model sees Ergo ascending to $10.63 in 2030. For what reason will Ergo generally come up short and drop in cost, which basically is genuinely critical? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors, which is genuinely critical. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, certainly more fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around plan promoting procedure. Losing local area support, especially expected weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected pretty least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. Indeed, it basically is conceivable that Ergo can reach $100 yet just in a far-off future, after 2030, which really is genuinely critical. How essentially high will Ergo go? Our determining model sees Ergo value detonating and coming to $21.26 in a far-off future, in spite of mainstream thinking. What explicitly is the kind of transient expectation for Ergo incredibly? Ergo will reach $1.11 in the sort of next 90 days, which certainly is a 37.6% change